Welcome. If you're trying to use your microphone on Facebook Web but it's not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow Facebook to access your microphone on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook Web. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access everything easily. Now, look up at the top of your browser window right next to the web address. You'll see a small icon that looks like a lock or a little information symbol. Click on it. This will open a menu called View Site Information where you can manage different settings for the website you're on. From there, click Settings. This will open a new tab or window depending on your browser. Inside this settings page, you'll find an option called Permissions. Under Permissions, you might see some of the settings right there, but we're looking for the full list. So go ahead and click More Settings Permissions. This will expand all the permissions related to the Facebook website, giving you more control. Now scroll until you find Microphone. This is where you decide whether Facebook can use your mic. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose Allow. Once you've done that, close the tab or just go back to Facebook. You might need to refresh the page for the changes to take effect. After that, Facebook should be able to access your microphone whenever it needs to, like when you're making a call, sending a voice message, or using any feature that requires your mic. And that's it. You're all set. If your microphone still doesn't work after allowing it, check your computer sound settings to make sure the correct device is selected. Sometimes your PC may default to a different input source, so double check that too. Thanks for watching.